Another exam question. We have a carton of milk. Dimension is 15, 5, and 8 cm. We have a milk inside the carton with the depth or the height of the milk inside the carton is 12 cm. The carton is tanned such that the face green, it lands on the green face. And when that happens, we need to now find out the depth or the height of the milk inside the carton. Okay, so first is, let's try to figure out the milk is 12 cm, the height. That's how deep the milk is, 12 cm. Now you could see from the diagram that the milk forms like a small cuboid inside the original carton. So let's first imagine that this is the diagram. So let's figure out how much milk do we have inside the carton. So we find the volume. Milk volume is 480 cm cubed. That is before the carton is tanned. The volume of the milk is 480 cm cubed. I just multiply length, width times height. I didn't use 15 because 15 is the original height of the carton. I'm only talking about the milk. That's why I replaced that with 12. Now, we've turned the carton down, and you realize that the shape of the milk has also changed inside the cuboid because it's liquid. Let's pull it aside. Now you realize that the milk is still the same, so the volume of the milk will not change. But if you look at the dimension, this 8 is the same as the top 8, so this side should be 8. The long side, which is the height 15, is the one at the bottom here. So let's bring the numbers down. Now we want to find the depth or the height of the milk. So this question is similar to the question we did before about the reverse, finding the missing length. The same question. Volume is now 480. So we now, after the carton is tanned, the milk volume is still the same. So we still have 480 as a volume, times by equals to 8 times 15 times the height or the depth of the milk. 8 times 15 will give us 120. So 480 equals 120 times the depth or the height of the milk. To do the inverse, we divide both sides by 120 to give the height. So therefore, you can say the depth of the milk is 4 cm. 4 cm. So this is an application of finding the missing length of a cuboid.